What are you doing, Luke? You put your pants on and you're dancing around? Put your pants on kind of weird, didn't you? Oh, are you dizzy? Keep dancing. You're goofy. It's like you're doing a little strip show. Huh? I was just complaining to Daddy that you don't dance like you used to. Oh, dizzy. Got any cool moves before I shut it off? There's some of that hip action again. We're both delaying packing, aren't we? We're going up to Nebraska and should be packing. Alright, Luke. Whoa! It's getting crazy in here. Alright. That looks very sophisticated, Luke. Oh, boy. You're too funny. Oh, can you say bye? Bye-bye.